If you're getting the D3DCOMPILER_43.dll error in the Epic Games launcher, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you a simple step-by-step fix that can get you back into your games fast. This issue is usually caused by a missing or damaged DirectX file, and the good news is that you can often fix it in just a few minutes. If this tutorial helps, please go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech fixes and gaming guides. Let's get started. First, open your browser and visit the official Microsoft DirectX end-user runtime download page. Make sure you are using the official Microsoft site so you know you're getting the correct and safe installer. Once the page loads, find the blue download button and click it to download the dxwebsetup.exe file. After the download finishes, open the file to launch the DirectX setup wizard. When the installer appears, you may see an optional offer for the Bing bar. If that prompt shows up, uncheck the box so you do not install anything extra you do not need. Then continue through the setup wizard and let DirectX install properly on your computer. When the installation is finished, restart your computer. This step is important because it helps Windows register the new DirectX files correctly. Once your PC starts back up, try opening the Epic Games launcher again and see if the D3DCOMPILER_43DLL error is gone. If the problem is still there, the next step is to check whether the DLL file is present in Windows System folders. Open Windows File Explorer and go to C, Windows System32. Use the search bar in the top right corner and search for D3DCOMPILER_43DLL. If you do not find it there, go to C-Windows SysWOW64 and search for the same file again. This folder is especially important on 64-bit versions of Windows because some DLL files are stored in different system locations depending on the app architecture. If you find D3DCOMPILER_43DLL in one folder, but not the other, you can copy the file from the folder where it exists and paste it into the folder where it is missing. For example, if it is in System32 but not SysWOW64, copy it over. If it is in SysWOW64 but not System32, paste it into System32. Make sure you are copying the exact file and placing it into the correct missing folder. After that, restart your computer one more time and open the Epic Games launcher again. In many cases, this resolves the missing DLL error and lets the launcher start normally. If you still run into issues, you may need to reinstall DirectX or check for additional Windows updates, but this method fixes the error for many users. So, to recap, download the official DirectX runtime from Microsoft, install it carefully, restart your PC, then check System32 and SysWOW64 for D3DCOMPILER_43DLL and copy it where needed. Hopefully that gets your Epic Games launcher working again. If this video helped you out, please hit like and subscribe for more troubleshooting tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.